Hey y'all, welcome back to part three of our AI powered children's book series. This is video three, and we're getting right into the illustration part. Now, in the last video, we created our character prompt because I got ahead of myself. So make sure you watch part one, and part two, so you can catch up, so you can know what to do and stay tuned for the inner circle. For those of you all who are like, look, Rosemary, I'm going to publish my first children's book in 2025 that is coming off of my vision board, and we're counting done. And I need your assistance, I need your help, and I need your support. And I want to be around other authors so that we can learn, glean, and grow together. Make sure when I announce the opening of Inner Circle that you sign up because you're going to get all of that. And I'm going to be doing more extensive trainings, and you'll get access to actual prompt templates so that everything that we did, and this is going to be a cakewalk for you. It's going to still come with challenges, but you'll have my support and the support of the community as well. So, yes, let's get right into it. We are using Google Whisk for our children's book illustration. So, this video, Google Whisk is going to be the star, okay? Um, and then we're going to be also utilizing Canva. So, those are going to be our two tools that we're going to be using. And in the fourth part, we're going to go over our final tools, which will be Amazon KDP. And we'll also be using Clipchamp because I'm going to teach you how to actually take the clips and make a video to promote your book. Because some of you all may just want to grow a YouTube channel. So we'll talk about business ideas. There'll be more of me coaching and training, going over the process with y'all in that last video. But as for right now, let's get into designing. My favorite thing to do. All right. And we're back live. And we landed on Kimmy. So just quick recap, we used Kimmy to develop our story plot from scratch. And we used Kimmy to develop our AI art prompts. So you're going to see me navigating between the two screens so that we can be um, building everything. So the first thing we're going to do is the cover prompt, the front cover prompt. This is going to be your book cover. So we've already created Benny. There you go. Up here is where you will be adding more scenes. You'll probably never, for the process and the workflow that I teach, I don't do double subjects or things of that nature. So you'll have the same subject and the same style. But let's get into it. All right. We got our prompt. See what it's came up with. Now, I did not read the prompt, so we'll see how accurate it's going to be. Oh, shucky ducky. Now, don't be alarmed that your iteration of or your generation of the prompts of the scenes are a little bit different from the subject. That's probably, I would say, 99.99% is going to happen. The purpose of the subject, in my opinion, this is my training as far as my workflow and how I've experienced using the models. Um, it is just to set the tone of how you want your character to look. So we're gonna click on it so we can see. So let's look at Benny. Now, looking at this, I can already see some things I don't like. Um, right now, I don't like the you see the it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Whatever this find Benny's thing, I think that was in the prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this and I'm going to put our prompt in there. So it says put find Benny's hat, but I think because it's describing that he's wearing his hat, so we're going to remove that because that's not really important. So you're going to have to read the prompts that it come up with so you can get the visual. And then let's see, the grade, everything else should be cool. Let's see. And I'm also going to copy this because I'm probably just gonna make another scene. Actually, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So instead of generating this, because I'll go through this process when y'all join the inner circle, because that's like super in depth, and I want to be cautious of the time. So I kind of edited from the last one. Let's try it again. And then we got the other ones, and we're gonna be knocking this out. Okay, so the good thing is you see how Benny looks a little different, but he's still on point. The great fishy events. What's the name of the book? Oh yeah, you gotta remember the name. Honey. Okay, the great fishy adventure. Benny catches a bit. We have a perfect cover, and this happens all the time. You see, second time be a charm for y'all. Now let's get into it. Let's get into it. We are going to do the back cover. That's a lot of text. So, well, what the hey? Let's try it. Let's try it. It might work out for us. I can already see some edits that I don't like. Don't put emojis in here, y'all. And you can tell the model not to put emojis. I am going to remove all of this text because I know from experience that's gonna wear it out. We don't need anything but the first two lines because we just want it's the back of the book, honey. It don't need that much attention. We just need it to do what it need to do and be the back cover. Now, okay, and Benny in the water. I don't know how Benny got in the water, but Benny in the water now. Benny look a little vicious, but that's Benny. Yeah, Benny look a little different. So what you might want to do, yeah, he looks super different. But the fish is cool. I'm gonna keep it. Like I said, in the inner circle, I'm gonna show y'all some tricks. But the author in me is like, but that's just the perfectionist part and of me as well. Let's do our filler page because we just want to get through the prompts. I just want to show y'all the quality of the illustrations, like all of that. But like those little kinks and stuff like that can be interesting. So I want to uncheck this and I want to focus on the scenes looking like that one. This is the important part. So I probably could do the prompt, back prompt again. Oh, this is fire. I love that. So we're just gonna knock this out. This is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Is that the filler page? Oh, that was a filler page. Okay. That's a lit filler page. Now, off top, I think I saw two hats. So y'all know we're gonna get into Canva and I'll be able to show y'all how to use the tool to get rid of that. And the pancakes being on the floor is crazy. But you see, I was over there. Those little things we're gonna talk about and how to eliminate those and straighten y'all illustrations up. So y'all be ready to go for publishing. But as far as quality in seconds, it's crazy. Now, okay, this is scene number one. Let's do scene two. And I know y'all like, I'm kind of editing, but I'm not really editing. And I'm kind of letting some stuff slide that I wouldn't let slide because this is concept. You can, by any means, take these steps and start going in and doing your own thing. But as for right now, okay, so this is not going to work. Now we got into something that I'm going to delete. I don't like the iteration. What I want to do is I'm going to use these two to be the descriptive. You know what? I just realized that that is I think we just did scene one. Let me just start over. We're starting over, people, because I think I grabbed the wrong prompt, which happens. I love that y'all seeing me do this live because that's what happens. And this is going to be what we're going to do. Boom. So now we're doing story prompt one. And this will probably clean it up. I don't like that. And let me read the prompt too. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, cool. He eating his pancakes. This is scene two. Boom, boom. Now it should be doing what it needs to do. And we're going to go ahead and delete this one. I don't know why I keep coming up with this extra hat. It's weird. Again, and then we're going to do the third scene. Okay, that's cool. We can take that. Now, mind you, I'm doing this without actually reading the prompts to get through the video to just show you the quality. Now, look at there. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to do the next one. Then, boom, boom. All right. And like I said, these are high quality, y'all. Like, what? He in the water. Look at that character consistency. Like, it's literally mild differences. And in a circle, I'm going to tell y'all how to get it right because I've spent hours learning how to fine tune on this model. But the way I prompted it and taught y'all in this video, y'all can get amazing results from just being a novice, gleaning on my experience. So I got rid of that one. It happens. I know I got rid of it real quick. Y'all like, dang. But it's like once you see, you see. Okay, we got that. Let's see. Maybe it's doing that because I need to. I'm gonna do that one being the match. I'm gonna teach y'all about what I just did. For the purposes, we're gonna do this last scene. So what I did was you pick your two combinations. So sometimes like if the scene is off or putting or in a new setting and you want it to look like the previous, you would do that. But it literally just gave me the same one. So go figure. It's okay. We're gonna run with it. So we got our illustrations. The next thing we need to do is hop on over to our friend Canva. When you are creating, I'm gonna walk y'all through creating a YouTube video type situation because we're going to be making a video. And then when it comes to the editing process, I'm going to show y'all how to resize and all that. But for this part, we're just going to be uploading um, all of that. So let me go ahead and get everything together. And we got everything we need to make sure everything is together. Boom. All right. So remember I told y'all to be organized. So they have folders options inside of Canva. Use those. Okay. It will help you out a lot. I'm just gonna name it Benny. And in Benny, we're gonna upload. We're gonna upload what we just exported. So it makes it super simple. You see why I kept it short? So we can get through the process. If I would have did it long, so y'all gotta join the inner circle. We're gonna do the master class. I'm gonna walk y'all through it multiple times, not just once, so y'all can get it. But it's a process, but you want to be, a, you know, attentive to how you go about that process. So in Elements, what I like to do when I'm creating the video for it is I like to use the grid. I think it's grid, yeah, the grid element. And then automatically, I'd use the first one. It automatically just takes over the screen of the canvas. So it's easy for you to just insert the images and you don't have to worry about nothing. So we have six, including the front cover, we'll have 6 pages. So duplicate and go 5 and 6. Boom. So we're gonna go to our folder. We got the cover. See how it fits right in there? Boom. This was our for scene 1. I believe this was scene 2. Yeah, we have scene 1. Oh, scene 2 was him being in the forest. And I'm doing this and I'm not even literally not even looking at the story. Muscle memory is a real thing, y'all. Okay, boom. And then we got him chilling. So let's do the forest and then him chilling. And then it goes into him getting into the deep depth of the pond or the water. And then in the big fish coming out. What I love that even in this example, with me not double checking or anything, the fish literally looks the same. Like nobody's gonna, I like it. It's almost identical. So I'm with it. I'm totally with it. Like the fish from right here to the cover, I love that. I think they did good with this. Of course, when you join Inner Circle, we're gonna perfect this a little bit more. But this is what you will need to export until we get into the next and final part where we're going to be going over ElevenLabs. where I'm going to show you. You're going to upload the text and create the iteration. You can use ElevenLabs to voice clone your voice. Um, and I'm going to teach you how to do it in Clipchamp as well. So we're actually going to go through the full process in Clipchamp because I don't want to use the credits on my account for this example per se, because it is kind of lengthy and you want to be conservative. But I do want to show y'all that you can do it in the process. So when you do it, it's going to be seamless. Okay. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So we're going to be going over uh, ElevenLabs, Clipchamp, and then we're going to be going over Amazon KDP, the business advice. Uh, and yeah, and y'all are going to get the announcement to join the inner circle. So I'll see y'all in the next. Oh, no, wait. Let me stop sharing. So when we export that, we'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all with love of Christ. See y'all next time.